affordability staying top of mind, buyer demand and interest has stayed extremely strong, especially for well-priced, well-positioned, and well-maintained properties here in the Plainfield area. Today, I'm going to break down exactly what that looks like and what the prospectus is for selling in spring of 2026. Hi, I'm Elyse Moore, and I help people in Plainfield, Oswego, and the surrounding suburbs make great decisions about real estate. Let's start by talking about the local market conditions. Inventory levels are still very, very low. The reason for that is that a lot of homeowners are locked into historically low interest rates, and the idea of selling that and upgrading into both a larger home and a higher interest rate is hard to swallow for a lot of homeowners. Buyer demand is back on the rise again. We're always going to have buyers that are moving due to life changes, so that's going to be things like a change in family status or a job promotion or a relocation or a divorce situation. Those things always make people move. However, interest rates have reduced by roughly 1% in the last 6 to 12 months, and that brings more buyers to the buyer pool because affordability is less of a challenge, and that opens more opportunities for buyers, thus bringing more of them into the buying pool and making them interested in buying once again. Even with affordability staying top of mind, buyer demand and interest has stayed extremely strong, especially for well-priced, well-positioned, and well-maintained properties here in the Plainfield area.